morning, students. This is unit number 6, lesson number 3 for grade 10. This is In Spite of For by Angela Morgan. We already did the 4 stanzas. Now we are going to do stanza number 5, 6 and 7. Stanza number 5. Though guns may roar and cannon boom, roses are born and gardens bloom, my spirit still may light its flame at that same torch whence poppies came. Now, the poetess Angela Morgan is saying, although the guns are roaring, cannons are booming, but still I can see that the roses are born and gardens they are blooming. My spirit, they are always high, and I can see that my spirits are in such a way that the poppies came like my spirits are high. Reference is the same. You have to repeat it again. Then we have to do paraphrasing. Although the guns are roaring, the cannons produce loud sounds. Still, in such conditions, you can see that roses and gardens bloom. My aims are high, and my spirit forced me to enjoy and find out the way how to bloom and flourish in such circumstances. Now, this is stanza number 6, where morning's altar whitely burns. Lilies may lift their silver urns, in spite of for, in spite of shame. Now, in spite of for, in spite of shame, everywhere lilies, they are still in their silver urns. Urns means the tall vases. So the lilies are still in their silver urns, and altar means where we sacrifice the goat, sheep, etc. That place is called altar. So there is also a white light. Burns means white light in the altar, means there isn't darkness in that altar. So means always there is something positive everywhere. We have to see that. Now reference is the same. So come to paraphrasing. White light still flashes in the altar. The long silver vase still contains lilies. Although we are facing a war and we are ashamed of it, but still we can see the beauty of life in the tall vase. Now, stanza number 7, and it's the last stanza. And in my ear, a whispering breath, wake from the nightmare, look and see that life is not but ecstasy, in spite of war, in spite of death. And in my ear, someone is whispering that wake up from the bad dream, look and see life is not means nothing, but ecstasy. Ecstasy means extreme pleasure, in spite of war, in spite of death. Reference to the context is the same. The stanza is taken from the poem In Spite of For, written by Angela Morgan, and she is optimistic, having very positive approach towards everything happening around. She is giving us the idea of hope and a good time to come. Now we have to paraphrase the 7th stanza. This is something whispers in my ear that the good time is ahead, and get rid of these bad dreams, nightmares. I know there is war and death, but it's also true that life is nothing but intense pleasure. It's enough for today, but you have to do what? You have to write these in your neat notebooks, because I'm going to check them later. Thank you so much.